So this is the second. This is the second part, and now we're gonna do it, and we're gonna show you what to do in each part. Person is, and you have to find the character around, but that's pretty much it. Easy, easy. Let's go to the next one. Nothing serious, and let's go to the scanner. I'm gonna show it to you in the scanner right here. So yeah, I'm gonna transport and we'll come back. This is a scanner, and we're just pressing the us button here, and that's all. You can see I am 3/6, weight 92, I'm red color, and B2 -0. I don't know what this is. Easy, yes, easy pass. Now let's go here, and this is stuck a little. Let's go. We have a mission. We already did all missions there, I guess we did too. This one we did, okay, easy. There was this one. The greenhouse we didn't do because let's go to the greenhouse. Oh, sorry guys, I'm very sorry for that. Okay. Yeah. Just let you press on the greenhouse, and it's for easy mission. Pressing each flower towards growth. Easy. Oh, sorry. This thing, it's now everyone did it, so I'm just gonna show you. 1, 8, 2, 1, 8, 2, 5, 7. Easy, task complete, that's all. Nothing hard, nothing unreal. Just did it! Really fast and quick. No missions, nothing to do. Easy. I'm not sure what's person. Big one. This thing isn't okay. I'm sure it's going to see the electricity. Gonna this all the wires together. Boom, chicka-lacka, boom, boom. Boom, 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 chicka-lacka, boom, boom. Easy. Now let's go through really fast. We have to go down. This is the lower part of the map. Usually it's pretty easy. Let's go here. We have some missions here, I guess. I don't think we did this. Maybe we did. I don't already remember anything. Sorry, guys. Oh, it's the penguin. The one I said I'm stuck. It's pretty easy. Pressing the right thing and wait. Just wait. Just gonna wait. No. Yes. Okay. Goes by to a couple more secs, and we're done with this pretty mission. Easy one. I want you to relax. I want you to stay calm. A mission that we just have to wait and wait. I'll wait. And I'm going to come back to you. Now it has only a couple secs left, and we're done with this easy mission, and it's gonna be done in just about time for me to start getting handled. This mission is easy and task complete, and yeah. Oh, wait. Now it's done. I'm not sure. Wait, I just missed it. That we did this one also. Oh, we did. Just fill the thing up. That's all. Just fill it up and yeah. Oh, we're gonna see the map where we reactor. I'm not sure we did missions in reactor. We're gonna go to reactor right now. Right now we're going to do reactors and see if we did the missions in the reactor. And if not, we're gonna do. If we did, we did. Nothing to worry. Nothing to worry. Nothing to worry. I don't know where the actor is. If I'm doing the wrong thing. Are we in the reactor now? No, we're in office. Yeah. Bummer. How do you get to the reactor? I don't know. Is this reactor? Where's the dummy? Hi friend. We're going to pressing. Going. Sorry guys. Sorry for this. I don't like this. I don't like stuff. Hate this. This is the reactor. I don't know if we did this. All the missions here. So I'm gonna come back here because I can share something that I'm doing each of them. So now we're in the reactor. We're gonna do this mission. No. You chose it. Sorry guys, I didn't watch it. I didn't watch it. Okay, let's just really show. I watch it. We're gonna be done. I know we did it, but I'm gonna show again in this video because no, I'm not gonna show again because I have my message to do this. So I'm not gonna show again. This one I remember again and again and again, and this one we're not gonna do also. Yeah, everybody knows. Now this one we got pretty good. Yeah, we did. We don't have missions here. Oh, here when there's an imposter and somebody sabotage, you come here and scan your hand. No, there's now no imposter, so we don't have to do it. So yeah. Did we see this thing? Yeah, we did this and we did this. We did this too, I remember. Okay, we were in office, we were in admin. This thing we did, made by communication, we did cafeteria, we did this thing we did. I guess we did this one. So this is the end of this video and thank you for watching and yeah. Bye. See you next time, guys. Well, no, before you go, I want to show you this. Actually, I want to show you next video. Bye.